Hello, my dear friends. Today we learned some numbers. Are you ready? So let's start. First number is 1. 1. The next number is 2. Let's find 2. 2. The next number is 3. Is this 3? No. Where is 3? Yes, 3. And the next number is 4. 4. Let's find 5. 5. And the next number is 6. Let's find 6. Yes, 6. And the next number is 7. 7. Let's find 8. Where is 8? Is this 8? No. Yes, 8. The next number is 9. 9. What's the next number? Is this 10? No. Yes, 10. The next number is 11. Let's see, where is 11? Where is 11? Yes, 11. Let's find 12. 12. The next number is 13. Is this 13? No. 13. Let's find 14. Is this 14? No. 14. And the next number is 15. Let's see what's the next number. Is this 16? No. Yes, 16. Next number is 17. 18. And the second last number is 19. Is this 19? No. Yes, 19. And the last number is 20. 20. But wait, they are different. Let's see what they are. Let me check this. Oh, this is the plus. What's the next? Minus. Is this multiply? No. Yes, multiply symbol. The next is division symbol. And the last is equal. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plus, minus, multiply, division, equal. Yes, we got it. You are amazing friends.